The Mobile World Congress in Barcelona ended on Thursday with a total of over 61,000 attendees, exceeding the forecasts by the event's organizer GSMA. With visitors from almost 200 countries and regions and over 1,000 speakers, the organizers hailed the MWC22 as a success.
I definitely feel that there's significant momentum that's been built. People are delighted to be back. Lots of comments around how important it is to be in person to get things done.
Però sobretot el que les companyies valoren és el nivell de negoci que s'està fent, el nivell d'assistència i la qualitat dels assistents i, per tant, si agafem aquests valors més qualitatius que no quantitatius, jo crec que podem dir i afirmar que el Congrés ha estat un èxit.
GSMA said that some 1,900 companies took part in the event this year.
Jo crec que podríem afirmar que amb aquest Mobile 2022 deixarem enrere la pandèmia i mirarem amb optimisme al futur.
The next Mobile World Congress will be the 18th edition scheduled next year between February 27th and March 2nd.